Ahmednasir, foreign trip saved me from killers. And this is based on a statement that he made at Kilimani police station. I believe it was yesterday. And he was accusing the DCI boss, and that is Ndegwa Muhoro, of planning to assassinate him. Very serious allegations there.
This is a very serious allegation, Michael, and what makes it even more complicated is that the person who is supposed to investigate the allegation is the one who is being accused of wanting to kill him.
And not just being accused by a layman, but a lawyer.
Accused by a lawyer. I think what needs to happen going forward, Michael, is that these issues not only need to be investigated properly, but we need to raise the bar in relation to these kinds of claims, because there are a lot of these claims that are going around. You remember when there was chaos in Migori and people said that it was a ploy by the government to assassinate Joho. I think these claims are being made liberally, left, right, and center, and I don't think this is good for the country. It cannot be good. And what needs to happen is we need to raise the premium for people making these kinds of claims, so that if these claims are investigated and they are found to be untrue, then people need to pay the price for making these claims if they are untrue.
And I guess the danger also is, and I'll use a story that we were told when we were young, of a young man who used to cry wolf.
Crying wolf,
He would cry wolf, and the third time, he said that he was under attack. Nobody went to help him, and this is simply because he was crying wolf. So this could be a situation looked at many people crying wolf, if at all nothing is done.
If at all nothing is done, because remember, Michael, Jacob Juma had made the same kinds of claims.
Absolutely.
When he eventually died, we still don't have very clear evidence of what happened, but we know what he had said before he died. It has now become just another regular thing. Like you're saying, it's a question of crying wolf, and when the wolf finally comes, nobody is interested in pursuing it.
Absolutely.
Page